In the small, close-knit town of Clover Ridge, there was a young man named Charlie who worked on a sprawling family farm. He spent his days tending to the fields, repairing equipment, and feeding the animals. But Charlie's favorite part of his day was break time, when he'd sit on the tailgate of his old pickup truck with his fellow farmhands, each with a brown bag lunch in hand, sharing stories and trading advice. Charlie had grown up on that farm, and he'd known most of the men working alongside him since he was a kid. They were folks who didn't put on airs and didn't have much, but they had character, grit, and loyalty. Over the years, he'd learned more from those simple tailgate conversations and brown bag lunches than he ever could from a book or classroom. There was Sam, the oldest worker on the farm, who'd been farming for more than 40 years. He didn't talk much, but when he did, his words carried weight. Sam taught Charlie the importance of hard work, integrity, and keeping your word.
Son, people respect you for what you do, not what you say you'll do. Remember that.
Then there was Big Al, who had a laugh that could shake the barn. He taught Charlie the value of humor, especially on hard days when nothing seemed to go right.
Life's tough, Charlie, but so are you.
Al would say with a grin, biting into a sandwich as he told another story that left everyone in stitches. Charlie also learned from Jake, a quiet man who had faced more hardship than anyone knew. Jake had lost his farm years ago but never spoke bitterly about it. Instead, he worked with steady dedication, proving that resilience and humility were as much a part of farming as any crop or tool.
What matters is not how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up.
As time went on, these tailgate conversations became the heart of Charlie's education. He learned that character wasn't about wealth, fame, or appearances. It was about actions, loyalty, and how you treated people when no one else was watching. It was about lending a hand without expecting anything in return, about being grateful for what you had, and about respecting the land and the people around you. When Charlie's father passed away, leaving the farm to him, he realized he wasn't just inheriting land. He was inheriting a legacy of values, lessons, and character that had been passed down through those tailgate conversations and brown bag lunches. He knew that to honor that legacy, he had to live by the principles he had learned there. The moral of this story is, true character is revealed in the simplest moments, often in the company of those who don't seek recognition. Conversations over brown bag lunches or sitting on a tailgate can teach us more about people's integrity, resilience, and kindness than any grand gesture or title. Character isn't about what we own or show off. It's about how we treat others, how we handle hardship, and the values we live by. The lessons we gain in these humble settings shape us, teaching us to value authenticity, loyalty, and hard work, the true markers of a good and respected life. In conclusion, Brokenwood Mystic Farm symbolizes the enduring connection between humanity and the land, a tribute to the beauty of nature and the importance of honoring traditions in a changing world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You won't want to miss our short story adventures. If you have any questions, requests, or just want to say hello, feel free to contact us at info@brokenwoodmysticfarms.com or in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and have a fantastic day, my friends.